Exercise 27. Which of the following expressions is equivalent to 9 times 3 to the power of 2x? Okay, let's see. 9 times 3 to the power of 2x. I'll try to combine them, to combine this product between 9 and 3 to the power of 2x into one single expression. To do so, I will convert, or basically I will rewrite 9 as 3 squared. And then 3 to the power of 2x will be kept like that. In this case, I know that this property is valid, which is a to the power of n plus m. So I'm going to keep the base of 3, and then I will just add the exponents. 2 plus 2x. Now, let's check if any of the suggested answers is there. It's not A, it's obviously B. The right answer for that would be B.